The Success Mantra Workshop. This is a conversation that is very close to my heart, and I'm excited to finally share it with you all. Though this was my first ever public seminar way back in 2002, and the contents of the conversation are fundamentally the same, these 20 years have added a lot more depth to my understanding of the subject, and of course, more experience of actually seeing it in action. I also wish to state here that I do not teach the success mantra because I am more successful than you. I do so only because I am more successful than before and have learnt, studied, understood, practiced, and have benefited immensely by applying the principles and concepts that I share with you in this program. So, what is success? How does one define success? Is there a measure or a yardstick for it? The problem is that success gets redefined and refashioned as often as other consumer products, and everyone seems to know what you should do. There is so much that has been said on the subject, so much going around on the internet, different takes, perspectives, philosophies, that one could spend a lifetime reading and searching and yet be in doubt about it all. There are just too many people talking and touting different magical, mystical, meditative methods for achieving success. There is also an ever-growing number of authors with alluring titles promising the moon and quoting known success icons, their habits and traits, and how you too can achieve as much and more success just by aping them. Then there are a ton of get-rich-quick training programs, hypnotic tracks, and so on. It is a lot easier to lose yourself and your money than find a program that will work for you. All in all, it increases my difficulty in getting across to people and telling them what the Success Mantra Workshop is about. So I have decided to quit trying and go online with it right away. I do not want to convince you to join, not offer any sops to sell the program to you, no reviews or tall claims, no branding, no mumbo jumbo, no nothing. I'll just tell you a wee bit about the workshop. While I was contemplating the title for this program, before I decided on the same old one, I surfed the internet and found some that may fit the bill. Here they are, just to give you an idea of what the program could be about and what all it might cover. How to be the best, how to develop your winning edge, how to reach the top of any ladder quickly and stay there. I'm successful, but can I also be happy, please? How to manifest your desires, how to manifest what you want or anything you want. Is it possible to achieve utmost satisfaction in life? Is it possible to live life to its fullest potential? Does the law of attraction really work? A guide to making law of attraction work for you. How to reprogram your subconscious mind to get what you want. How do I change my destiny or luck? How to beat hereditary? How to reprogram my DNA? How to program yourself to achieve anything? The program starts next Wednesday, 5th January 2022 at 17:30 hours Indian Standard Time on Google Meet with an hour-long introductory session which is offered to you for free. The meeting link will be shared with you on receiving your registration duly completed. You will find the Google registration form at the bottom of this page. Details of the course fee or commitment fee. The Success Mantra Workshop will be run online 3 sessions a week, live for a month or more, with extra classes, personal consultation if required, and has a fee of Rs 12,950 payable in advance. You can also opt for the recorded course for a fee of rupees 17,950, or you pay rupees 1,450 per access in case you want to test drive before registering for the full course. The course fees mentioned here are all inclusive of all applicable taxes. If you have any queries regarding this program, please email to gsundar.org@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at 98106 44216. I will try and address your queries in the free introductory session or through a direct mail. Register now